Welcome to my channel, Minor Bleeding. In this video, I will walk through how I lubricated the tensioning spring in the side mirror on my 2019 Toyota Tundra, enabling it once again to retract fully on command. The first step is to adjust the mirror in and down so I can get my fingers behind the mirror and remove it from the motor. It will snap off with a moderate amount of force. Disconnect the connector for the turn signal and blind spot monitor. My mirror also has a heating element. Those blade connectors must be removed with care. It looks like it would be easy to tear the male side of the connector straight off the heating element. Next, the motor is held on by 4 T15 screws. There is also a connector on the back to remove. The housing is held on by 2 T15 screws. Once those are removed, it takes a firm nudge to release the housing from the tab lock. With the downlight disconnected, the housing can be removed. That's the slot that the tab fits in. With all of that out of the way, we can now see the issue. The tension spring has corroded, and that corrosion has caused some extra friction that the motor is not designed to overcome. That is also the source of the excess noise. First, I hit it with some WD-40 silicone spray. I didn't go crazy because I didn't want to make a mess, just loosen some rust. After working in the WD-40, I used some marine grease, which is what I had on hand, to completely coat the spring and adjacent surfaces. I took my time and worked it in until it stopped making noise. Onto reassembly, which is just the opposite of disassembly. The most stressful part is reinstalling the glass. Just take your time, get the pins lined up. It will go on with a moderate amount of force and seat with a satisfying click. And with the mirror once again fully retracted, we're finished. Thank you for watching.